Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel where we discuss various topics related to personal and professional growth. Today's video is all about the psychology of success and the insights and strategies that top performers use to achieve their goals. By the end of this video, you'll have actionable tips and insights that can help you achieve success in your own life. To understand the psychology of success, we first need to understand the mindset of successful people. Successful individuals have a growth mindset, meaning they believe that their abilities and intelligence can be developed through hard work and dedication. Another important aspect of the psychology of success is goal setting. Successful individuals set clear, specific, and measurable goals for themselves, which helps them stay focused and motivated. Top performers also have a strong sense of purpose and direction. They have a clear understanding of what they want to achieve and why they want to achieve it, which helps them stay motivated and committed to their goals. Another key element of the psychology of success is resilience. Successful individuals are able to bounce back from setbacks and failures, and use them as learning opportunities to improve and grow. Top performers also have strong self-discipline and self-control. They are able to delay gratification and focus on long-term goals, rather than giving in to short-term temptations and distractions. In addition to mindset and behavior, the environment also plays a crucial role in the psychology of success. Successful individuals surround themselves with positive and supportive people who encourage and motivate them. Another important aspect of the psychology of success is the ability to adapt to change. Successful individuals are able to adjust their plans and strategies as circumstances change, which allows them to stay ahead of the curve. Top performers also have a strong sense of self-awareness. They are able to identify their strengths and weaknesses, and work on improving their skills and knowledge to achieve their goals. Another key element of the psychology of success is perseverance. Successful individuals are able to keep pushing forward, even when faced with obstacles and challenges. To achieve success, it's also important to have a growth-oriented mindset. This means being open to learning and continuous improvement, and being willing to take risks and try new things. Successful individuals also have a strong work ethic. They are willing to put in the time and effort required to achieve their goals, and are willing to make sacrifices to get there. Another important aspect of the psychology of success is the ability to stay focused and avoid distractions. Successful individuals are able to stay focused on their goals, and avoid getting sidetracked by unrelated tasks or activities. Top performers also have a strong sense of gratitude and positivity. They are able to appreciate the good things in their lives, and maintain a positive outlook even when faced with challenges. To achieve success, it's also important to develop strong interpersonal skills. This means being able to communicate effectively, work well with others, and build positive relationships. In conclusion, the psychology of success is a complex and multifaceted topic, but by understanding the mindset and behaviors of top performers, we can gain valuable insights and strategies that can help us achieve our own goals. Remember to stay focused, work hard, and never give up on your dreams. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.